This is Puppy. He's a Blue Mountains jumping spider. He's already given me severe anxiety by going straight into a molt.
Heyo. Heyo.
I was also anxious as the pupae didn't seem to be hatching. So I text the very awesome breeders who said to relax and they will.
Hi.
All I knew was as soon as he yeeted his molt out of his crib to offer him food daily and take it out at night.
Hi.
He took 3 days to feel strong enough to come out, which was today. He wanted to show off his beautiful new colors and dance and wave. He didn't want the food offered to him. He sat on my hand for a few seconds and then showed me how agile he is on his wood. My tarantula likes to be hand-fed, but Puppy isn't there yet. I let animals teach me what they need and want, and offer them choice. We cannot care for them if we don't take time to learn from them.
Hi.
People say reptiles and insects aren't able to show love or have deep intelligence. I highly disagree with this. I think we make these excuses because science still can't give exact answers. And it's easier to deny a species' intelligence than say we just don't know yet.